Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the lesson Festivals of Northeast India. English workshop Festivals of Northeast India. Question number 1. Insert the proper words or phrases in the gaps to make the narration meaningful. Use them in their proper form. Answers are given directly. The words in the bracket are discard, revive, diverse, handed down, bring out, sumptuous. While shopping, I suddenly met Lata Shankaran. Meeting my classmate after 20 years revived our friendship. We spoke on diverse topics of our past, present, and future. We realized that we could not discard old school memories. She showed me a beautiful ring handed down from her great grandmother. We discussed about how we should bring out the best from our own children. Before we parted, we decided to meet again that night, and I have a sumptuous dinner at a 5-star hotel along with our families. Next, correct the wrongly spelled words from the lesson and make a word chain of nouns with them. First, manner. Second, season. Third, nature. Fourth, drum. Fifth, locals. Sixth, festival. Seventh, end. Eighth, ritual. Word chain. Festival, locals, season, nature, end, drum, manner, ritual. Next, read the lesson and fill up the table. State, chief festival, reasons for celebrating, and ways of celebrating. First, Assam, Bihu, the beginning of harvesting season by performing the dance. Arunachal Pradesh, Losar, to welcome New Year by cleaning the homes and discarding the old things. Manipur, Ningol Chakoba, to bind and revive the relationship between married girls and their parents by giving feast and gifts to married daughters and their children. Mizoram, Chapchar Kut, to welcome the spring season by wearing traditional dresses, performing folk dance, singing traditional songs. Meghalaya, Wangla, to mark the end of a period of hard work by dancing in festive costumes. Tripura, no chief festival, hunting, fishing and food gathering by dancing. Nagaland, Moastu, end of sowing season by dancing on traditional music. Next, choose the appropriate alternatives to make the following. First, every festival of Northeast India is incomplete without A. Food and sweets, B. Dance and music, C. Lights and crackers. Answer, dance and music. Second, people of are true lovers of nature and its beauty. Assam, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. Answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Third, the festival is celebrated 3 times a year to mark the stages of agriculture. A. Bihu, B. Chapchar Kut, Wangla. Answer, Bihu. Fourth, in Tripura, the festivities represent first, preparing special dishes, second, reaching greater heights, third, hunting, fishing, food gathering. Answer, hunting, fishing, food gathering. Next, and traditional advantage of the festive celebration is A. Singing the festive music, B. Bringing out the natural talent of the people, C. Getting a holiday from work. Answer, bringing out the natural talent of the people. Next, pick out the adjective forms of the following words from the lesson. A. Diversity, diverse. B. Festival, festive. C. Joy, joyous. D. Variety, various. E. Tradition, traditional. F. Mountain, mountainous. B. Pick out the noun forms of the following words from the lesson. A. Complete, completion. B. Move, movement. C. Live, life or living. D. Rhythmic, rhythm. E. Prosper, prosperity. F. Green, greenery. Next, the three words below can be used in sentences as noun as well as verbs. Make sentences of your own that show the different usage. First, end, noun. The end of the rainy season come late this year. End, verb. Every function ends with vote of thanks. Second, dance, noun. Launi is a traditional dance. Dance, verb. Peacock dances in the rain. Third, harvest, noun. Farmers are expecting a good harvest this year. Harvest, verb. He can harvest wheat in his farm. Next question. Imagine you are a news reporter visiting Assam or Manipur. Compose a dialogue between you and a village headman seeking permission about the celebration of festivals using the following steps. Greeting, skillful introduction of the topic, 5 to 6 sets of dialogue about the topic, conclusion, goodbye greeting. News reporter, good morning sir. Village headman, good morning. News reporter, I am a news reporter. I wish to know about the celebration of your festivals. Would you please tell me some information about your festivals? Village headman, yes, of course. News reporter, which is your chief festival? Village headman, Bihu is our chief festival. It is celebrated by people of all religions, castes and tribes. News reporter, I heard that you celebrate 3 types of Bihu festivals. Village headman, yes, you're right. Actually, Bihu festival has a set of 3 different festivals. News reporter, when do you celebrate these festivals? Village headman, one festival we celebrate at harvesting season. Second is at the completion of sowing season, and the last one at the end of the harvest season. News reporter, how do you celebrate it? Village headman, both men and women perform dance in this celebration. Bihu competition is also held all over Assam that attract the visitors. News reporter, which musical instruments do you use for the dance? Village headman, we use traditional music for the dance. A dhol like a drum, the pepa, a wind instrument made from a buffalo horn, cymbal and a bamboo clapper. News reporter, thank you very much for the information. Village headman, you are welcome. Language study. Question number 1. Change the form of sentences below as per instructions without changing meaning or tense. First, the people offer thanks to the gods. Rewrite using present continuous tense. Answer, the people are offering thanks to the gods. Second, hardly a month passes without a festival or two. Rewrite using no in the sentence. Answer, no month passes without a festival or two. Third, the spring season is an important occasion. Add a question tag. Answer, the spring season is an important occasion, isn't it? Fourth, the Bihu dance is performed by both young men and women. Rewrite using as well as. Answer, the Bihu dance is performed by both young men as well as women. Next, the Bihu dance is very joyous one. Rewrite as an exclamatory sentence. Answer, what a joyous dance the Bihu is, or what a joyous the Bihu dance is. Next, how different festivals are celebrated. Frame WH question to get the underlined answer. Answer, what do one read about?